Hello students, how are you? I think all of you will be fine. So today in this video we are going to learn about our NCERT book class 4 subject math chapter 4 tick 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 and page number 44 and 45. And one more thing, if you have not seen our previous video of this chapter, then you should go in description section of this video and follow the link. Now you can see this is the page number 44 of your book. So let's start this video. Rani had a pet puppy. After 2 weeks, it opened its eyes. She watched it grow like this. You can see here, this is Rani's pet puppy. And remember this, after 2 weeks, it opened its eyes. And move on, after 3 weeks, it got its first teeth and started eating. And also remember this, after 3 weeks, got first teeth and started eating. And here, after 4 weeks, it started walking around but was still wobbling. And next, it had a full set of teeth by the time it was 7 months old. So once again you can see full set of teeth, okay, in 7 months old. And after 1 year it was a grown up dog and got its own puppies. Okay, once again, after 1 year it was grown up as a dog and got its own puppies. You can see here, this is the puppy. You can see here, it means after grown up it looks like this. And 1 year after, you can see here its own puppies. Now make a timeline of this dog's life in your notebook. So you can try to make a timeline of this dog like Munia's timeline. And you can see here, this is the timeline of puppy's life. You can see here was born and after 2 weeks opened its eyes. You can see here, okay, after 2 weeks it's opened its eyes. So we can make here, after 2 weeks opened its eyes, and after 3 weeks got its first tooth and eating. Now you can see here. And after 4 weeks started walking. You can see here, after 4 weeks started walking. And in 7 months got full set of teeth. You can see on the book, full set of teeth in 7 months. And last one is after 1 year full grown and got its puppies. So you can see here, after 1 year it was a grown up as a dog and got its own puppies. So you can see this is the timeline of the puppies. And next is note the differences between Munia and Rani's puppy. So you can see this is the table, position of activity age and Munia's age, and here puppy's age. And you can see Munia's age. So we have already learned about Munia's lifeline in previous video, and once again you can see started walking of Munia on Munia's lifeline. You can see here, this is the Munia's lifeline. Okay, so look on the walking of Munia's. So you can see here, this is the last. Now we can try to calculate the age of Munia when Munia started walking. So let's see, this is the date 2nd February 2006. Okay, we can try to write here 2nd February 2006. Okay, and let's see the birth of Munia. Here you can see 5 March 2005. Now you can see here 5 March 2005. Now try to calculate how many months will be. Now you can see here, this year is 2005 and here 2006. So let's start to count March to February. So let's start April, after March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, January and February. So how many months will be? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Once again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. It means Munia's age will be 11 months when she started walking. So you can see here, and you can see on Puppy's lifeline. So you can see here, after 4 weeks started walking. So we can write this after 4 weeks. Otherwise we can write 1 month. Okay, so you can write here 1 month or 4 weeks. And next is eat food for the first time. Now you can see here on Munia's lifeline, this is ate a banana. It means eating food started from here. So how many months will be? Here you can see 3 and here you can see 9. So what is the difference between 3 and 9? You can find out like this. Here month is March. Okay, 3 months, and here 9 is September. Okay, so let's count here. April, May, June, July, August, September. Now calculate it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, once again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It means 6 months old. So you can see here 6 months. And now see on Puppy's lifeline, here you can see eating. So you can write the answer 3 weeks. Now you can see here I have already written. And next is got the first tooth. So let's see on the Munia's lifeline. Here got her first tooth. It means month is September. So it also will be 6 months from March to September. Now you can see here. And you can see puppy's lifeline. Here puppy got its first tooth. So you can write again 3 weeks. So you can see here I have already written. Now you can see this is completed, and you can try to solve this yourself. Now move on next page. Here you can see this is the page number 45 of your book. Here find out, do all animals grow at the same speed? I think you know very well all animals do not grow at the same speed. So the answer of the question is all animals do not grow at the same speed. Otherwise you can write here no. And next is discuss about the growth of these. So you can see here a bird first grow up, and second a hen, and after this on third place a cow. Okay, and next is draw pictures of the baby animal and the big animal. So you can try to draw a picture baby animal and big animal. Like you can see here, this is a baby animal and this is a big animal. Otherwise you can choose according yourself, like elephant, cow, buffalo. Move on. Here are the pictures of grandfathers posing for a photograph. Who looks the oldest to you? And here you can see there are 3 pictures of grandfathers. This is 95 years old, and this is 2 years old, and here 70 years old. So the question is, who looks the oldest to you? Now you can see this is 95 years old. So I think this is the oldest. That is elephant Papu's grandfather. Now move on. How much older is Papu's grandfather than Rani's grandfather? You can see Papu's grandfather, and here you can see Rani's grandfather. Rani's grandfather age 70 years, and here you can see Papu's grandfather 95 years. Okay, so how much older Papu's grandfather? Now you can calculate here. 95 minus 70, so we will get 25 years. And next is, will Chuju's grandfather ever grow as old as Papu's grandfather? The answer of the question is never. So you can see here the answer of the question is never, because rat life is less than life of elephant. So it is not possible. And next is, how much younger is Choo Choo rat's grandfather than Rani's grandfather. You can see Rani's grandfather is 70 and Choo Choo rat's grandfather is 2 years old. It means you can see here the difference 70 minus 2, it will be 68 years. Okay, so this is completed. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.